How to fix non-tradable symbol in your Tradingview website or Tradingview application. If you're using it on the website just like me, what I will do is if I cannot access to anything, if I'm facing any error of on the website that is Tradingview, what I mainly have to do is I need to refresh the network connection and other things as well on my PC. The thing is, we will click on the home screen and let be to the home screen available here, and then from this menu we will have to click on the Wi-Fi option on the right bottom of the screen. Let me just click that, and from this menu I will simply check the network connection if I'm getting the full strength Wi-Fi network in my Wi-Fi. If you're using the mobile data, please restart your mobile phone clicking on the airplane mode and then turn it off. Now I have refreshed my network connection. The second thing I will do is click on the start button to get started and to get restarted my PC from the main menu. Now what I will do is the thing is done, and now you will enjoy without any interruption. Thank you so much for watching.